Hmm. Oh yeah guys, what's up? We're back on another video and today we're gonna be doing the night before a blizzard again. I did this before on my channel. It's literally I did it on my channel and do it again. Well, let's see if I can beat it this time. Because I really want to beat this game. I don't know why. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, that's weird. Okay. Enter object. 6 p.m. Enter your house. Okay. Put wood in the fireplace. And I just noticed there was a I just noticed there's a flashlight right there. Okay. Okay, stop trolling game. Stop trolling game. Turn on TV. It's actually bro, why was I like do you see that guys? I was like moving by myself. No, I'm gonna get some more wood. I'm basically going to risk my life for the blizzard. Is it this side? Yeah, it's this side. I don't need that right now. Okay. Okay, that's just great. I left my door open. How silly of me. And guys, like it, subscribe if you want more of these games, or you can basically comment what games you want next. Bro, where's the energy drink? I want some power. Ah, what? Prepare for the blizzard. Okay. It's basically getting night time. Wow. Prepare for the blizzard, of course. Of course we're preparing for the blizzard. Why wouldn't we prepare for the blizzard? Move. Why couldn't we prepare for the blizzard? Oh wait, it's 7 p.m. It's 7 p.m. I had to run. Bro, why am I like... It's actually like Residence Mascot, to be honest. This game. Prepare... No. Should I put it in here? Yeah, I'm gonna put it in. I usually do that style. It's getting dark, bruh. I can't see nothing. I'm just making sure when the blizzard comes, because I do not want the blizzard to get me. Why in this game, why does it make your character a noob? To be honest, why does it make it make me a noob? Bruh. And guys, if you want to friend request me, my name is Crabo910. Like some people like copy it. I don't know. If you want to friend request me, yeah, Crabo910. Okay, so yeah. I'll actually accept your friend request. Bear me my fans. Although I don't have. Okay, let me just stop talking. It's 10 p.m. and no blizzard. What's talking? Oh wait, there's cameras. I knew it. My friend also used the cameras in that night before the blizzard. The Snake King Gaming channel. Wow, the night before the blizzard. The night before the blizzard. It's terrible. Prepare for the blizzard. Okay. Put the wood in there. Oh, it's 12 a.m. Okay. We're about to die. We're about to die. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to die. Put the wood in there. There we go, the wood's in there. I need to mentally prepare myself, because I can't see nothing. Mentally prepare myself. What the? Okay, the blizzard, are you serious? Okay, of course, the blizzard has to get me. Should I get more wood? I probably should. 12 a.m. And... Are you serious right now? Back to lobby, bro. How do I... Excuse me? Back to lobby. Back to lobby. Wait, bro, wait. You said character? Go back to lobby? Go back to... Okay, you didn't have to jump scare me like that. Back to lobby? Are you serious, my man? Can you cut it? I think I'm dead forever. Can I go back to lobby, please? This wood log is blocking my way. It's gonna be 6 hours. How do I sew? I think I just have to do this. Maybe. I actually don't know. That's going to be the end of our video, guys. So, see you.